We are first in the 99-year history of Ducati.
Hi Veer.
Hi, Rishikesh.
So, can you tell us about your showroom in Bangalore?
Okay, so first things first, we are Ducati Bangalore. The plan has been put in motion some time ago. So Tanveer, who is the mastermind of this thing, put a lot of thought around everything that you see here in this store. And we had a conversation a long time ago about how Ducati is going to work, how they want to bring this thing to Bangalore and make it happen. So this store became something of an icon now. Once the people started to look at it. So during the construction phase, a lot of people will look at it, and they will be like, something is coming, something's happening, because it only said VFM Motors and something's coming soon. And the day we put the first Ducati thing on like Ducati banner on the outside, oh god, we had such a crowd moment. Like everybody was passing by, so oh, Ducati's coming here. So that's what happened. So few things I'll tell you about the store. We are first in the 99-year history of Ducati to have a Kannada signboard.
Oh, great.
So Ducati never made a signboard other than English anywhere in the world, not just India, anywhere in the world. And for us specifically, our request, they created a Kannada signboard for us. So soon, you already see it on the service, soon you will see on the showroom as well. And first in service, the cafe that we are standing in right now, the bike behind me right now is the only dealer in the world who has a Superbike on the cafe window. So this is more like, best seat in the world. You sit around, have a cup of coffee, just enjoy the view.
Yes.
The other things, how we wanted to design everything is the coffee machine that we ordered. That coffee machine flew all the way from Italy, and it is the same color as the Ducati Panigale V4. We got it custom made so that everything here in the showroom should speak Ducati, nothing else, just Ducati. And then a lot of other efforts have been placed. So the chairs and everything that we have placed, they have the fins of Panigale V4 fairing.
Oh, wow.
So everything, every small aspect, everything that we wanted to put, we wanted to make sure that anybody who steps in has the best of the best experience of Ducati itself. Plus, the kind of motorcycles that we have got in the lot right now, we have almost 15 vehicles ready to delivery. That includes one of a very rare Panigale V2 black on black. I guess that is one in the country right now. We got a Supersport 950S. That is also one of the last pieces that you can get. Then we have Scramblers, we have Multistradas, Diavel, the red one which is just behind me on the cafe window. So with that thing said, what we're trying to do is not trying to sell motorcycles or trying to sell merchandise. We are trying to sell emotions. We're trying to connect with people and the relationship that we're gonna build. So even if a kid comes today and sees what we do, what we have, it should inspire the generation. That kid comes in and says I had the best time and I'm gonna pick up the Ducati. So a lot of thought, a lot of understanding, plus a lot of pain has gone to build this thing. And yes, one more thing, this is the biggest showroom in India. It's 10,000 square feet of madness that you see here. So I hope I'm gonna see more and more people coming in. I'll have more of the Ducati streets coming in. People from different backgrounds, different age group. I would want all of them. And content creators like you, that is the reason I'm here. So thank you so much for coming for the media day. And yeah, I'm gonna look forward for more of these events and for you guys to be here.
Thank you very much, and all the best.
Thank you so much, and all the best to you as well. Thank you.